The administration of Ansaba region pointed out that a new microdam is being constructed in the Arid area concerning infrastructural facility for prevention of alluvial deposit in a bid to ensure sustainable water supply for Keren city. Mr. Zari Gaber Hedrai, acting head of engineering services and project management in the administrative office, disclosed that the construction of the microdam, which is capable of impounding more than 400,000 cubic meters of water, has gained momentum in line with the funding of the administration and popular input involving participation of the members of the People's Army. He further pointed out that stepped-up efforts are being exerted to finalize the task next month and that previous construction of such microdams in the area last year could give rise to more water supply and reinforcement of irrigation farming. Accordingly, engineering activities in this connection pose challenges in the region as it is rather characterized by mountainous topography and exposure to quick sedimentation of rocks, while sustainable experience has been acquired as regards coping with the quandaries of this type. Reports indicate that the recent microdam bears potential for irrigation, a total area of 100 hectares.